Now here, page number 146, exercise 9.3, second main. Here first expression is given a, second expression b plus c plus d. Now we have to multiply. Find the product. Product means always multiplication. So first write a bracket. Bracket means multiplication. Instead of writing into, we can draw bracket b plus c plus d. So here a into b plus c plus d. How to multiply the algebraical expression? This is monomial and this is trinomial or polynomial. A with b, first term with second equation expression first term, then again a with c, then again a with d. A into b each term, it means second expression each term. You are multiplying first expression with the second expression each term. A into b, then again multiply a into c, then again multiply a into d. So a into b first term, then a with a into c second term, again a into d third term. Now we know that a into b is ab plus, because here plus symbol, that's why we are written plus here. Here also plus symbol, so here also plus. A into c is ac plus a into d is ad. This is your first question answer. Now second sum, homework sum. Second and third is homework. X plus y minus 5, then 5xy. So this is trinomial, 3 terms. This is monomial. Trinomial means in between symbol are given. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, and here in between no symbol, so monomial. Multiplication of trinomial into monomial. You know that monomial, multiplying monomial with each term of next expression. So here monomial 5xy into x, then 5xy into y, then between minus symbol 5xy into 5. So 5xy into x is 5x square y plus 5xy into y 5xy square, then 5 is a multiply and write. Next term, third one, p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. First term is monomial. Monomial means single term. Second term is a trinomial or polynomial, because 1, 2, 3 terms are there in between symbol. Because of symbol we are saying this is a trinomial, no symbol in between the number, so this is monomial. P into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So monomial into, rule is monomial into each term of next expression. So p into 6p square minus p into 7p plus p into 5 and multiply. Now fourth one, 4p square q square and p square minus q square. This is monomial and this is binomial. This is first term, this is second term. Now this is fourth sum, children. First expression is 4p square q square. Second expression is p square q square minus q square. So here first one is monomial, in between no symbol, so single term is monomial. Second expression is binomial. Binomial means two term. This is first term, this is second term. In between symbol are there, so it divide into two terms. Now multiplication rule means monomial with the, because of monomial with the each term of next expression. So this is monomial, 4p square q square whole monomial, 4p square q square into p square, then 4p square q square into q square. In between you have to write minus symbol, because here minus symbol is there. So answer is 4p square q square into, bracket means into, 4p square q square into p square each term. Here minus symbol, so we have to write the same symbol. Then again monomial into next term, 4p square q square into q square. We can write bracket here or that side. Okay. Now 4 into, it means 4 into 1. No numbers means 1 is there. 4 into 1 is 4. And p square into p square, like term. Like term we can multiply. How to multiply the exponent? Addition of the power, adding the power. Not 2 plus 2 is 2 into 2 is 4. This is 2 plus 2 is 4. Adding the power. And q square, because no like term, write as it is. It means 1 is here. So q square into 1 means q square. Minus, now 4 into 1 means 4, 4 ones are 4, p square into no like term, so it means here 1 is there, no, p square into me, write like term as it is, p square, q square and q square are like term, write q and power we have to add 2 plus 2, q to the power 2 plus 2, answer is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4 power q square minus 4 p square and q 2 plus 2 is 4. Answer is 4 p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square and q to the power 4. Now this is last question, fifth question in the table, a plus b plus c and abc. So multiplication of trinomial into monomial, rule is same thing, a monomial into each term, you have to multiply monomial into each term. So a into abc plus b into abc plus c into abc. So a into abc plus a into, here plus symbol, so plus b into abc plus c into abc, c into abc, c into abc, a into abc plus b into abc plus c into abc. Now a into a is 1 plus 1 means 2, a to the power 2 bc plus b into abc means a, b into b is b square, c, a, b into b is b square, 1 plus 1 is 2, c plus abc into c means abc 2 times. This is your answer.